As an auto and off-highway manufacturer, we deal with Windows XP, Windows 7, a lot of legacy software that we have throughout our company and organization, as well as hardware. And unfortunately, some of those with being end of life can be very hard to support at times. I am Reed Schneider. I am the Systems Application Minister for Husco. So with previous backups, we would take USB drives, hand them off, do clones, very, very tedious work to get our lines back up and running, which just took too much time for us to handle. We would have backups that would either fail, work 50-50, or we didn't know whether they were actually going to work. And that was something that we needed to fix moving forward. For our backup and recovery needs, we chose Macrium.
So since our implementation of Macrium, we've gone from having 8-hour backups down to 40 minutes on average. That's incredible in terms of our ability to get product out the door, making our customers happy and making us money. I'm William Johnson. I'm a senior IT technician at Husco International. With Macrium, we have a centralized, very intuitive platform where we can manage and run our backups. Previous to Macrium, we were much more dated. It wasn't as user-friendly, and we didn't have that centralized management point.
With Macrium, we knew that we had a good support system in base from the technical support side. So from the beginning, we could trust the product right out of the box. From support to the deployment, to the recovery, to the monitoring, we knew that it worked.
I would highly recommend Macrium to others in the industry. The peace of mind that it gives you both with your internal and external customers, knowing that you're going to comfortably get product out the door with reduced downtime, is just something you can't compete with.
I would highly recommend Macrium from the beginning all the way to the very end. That product has made a huge difference in our business.